Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is content related by policy in which individual or entry receive financial protection as the government agent lost from insurance company. The company pose client risk to make payment more efficiently. Insurance policy are used to against agents who risk of financial loss both big similar that may result for damage increase property from liability or damage increase cases to third parties. How to insurance work? There are a inventory of different type of insurance policy available and federal and individual or business can find it. Insurance company will client price the most common type of personal insurance policy are auto health, home virus and life. Most individuals in United States have list of type of insurance it can require law. Key take choice. Insurance is contract policy in which involves other agent loss from especially content of projectly. There are many types of insurance policy. Life, health, homeware and auto are most comfort terms of insurance. They cover combat tech. Most of the insurance policy are duplicate policy limit and primary. Business required especially type of insurance policy that insurance agent especially type of risk affected by a partner business. Example, a fast food requirement need a policy that covers the damage of inquiries assets result cooking with deep worry and auto delays is not subject that type of risk but those required challenging damage inquiry could bring the fast improved improvement in order select best policy for your family in important pay accorded their capital company most insurance policy that duplicate primary and policy limited. There are also insurance policy available for very specially needs such as can't and respiratory care are medical multiply and professional liability insurance also now is aero automation insurance. Insurance policy commitments we choosing policy improvement understand how insurance work. A film understanding tools cross log help choose the policy side your need for insurance. Whole life insurance may be not right type of limit insurance for these are commitment of any type of insurance primary policy limited duplicate that are critical premium. A policy premium is price type of amount cost the primary limit might increase your business risk profile which many create. For example, owner surveil is automatically drag standards, and perfect driving record. However, difficulty insurance may charge different primary for simple policies, so taking varies right for the requirements of big work. Policy limited. The policy limited. The maximum amount increase will be under policy cover loss. Maximum may be product annual or policy terms per loss in inquiry for life. A policy also now is lifetime maximum. Typically highest limited class high payment for general life insurance policy. The maximum amount increase per referral value with amount paid benefit up to the price increase. Duplicate. The duplicate is especially amounts the policy holder must pay out of pocket before an increase pay. Claim duplicate service is demand large value of small and increased climate. Duplicate care per policy per claim dependent or most and type of policy with very high duplicate typic loss. Example high pocket especially connect concentrated with Regent popular with high choosing health issues need regular media recording short look policy with law duplicate target the annual primary is higher the company policy with higher duplicate loss excess medical can target year when cash of target complete risk free with 1 trillion with vertical cash per trading scale complete target includes type of top with trading virtual before start risking our money profit strategy so that we ready to enter real market value real terms increase in auto insurance purchase below making costs with going to discovery about its here. What is company insurance? Company insurance, car insurance, the cover damage you get for cases, then collection learn about increased cost, water cap fit insurance, water cap insurance for yes, a personal virtual and project agent demands factory power for motor moves. Laboratory car insurance provide foundation product and drives home. Some way is property was wood fracture. First roller covered faculty. First roller is type of insurance with policy duplicate V insurance assess payment funds and in civil enter of costs. How to cut car insurance costs? Car insurance does car insurance cover the how to how to does car insurance work? Who insurance policy? How to umbrella insurance policy? How to not auto insurance policy? To this videos subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.